Well, big boys, she broke down. I was leaving the house to get some footage for a new video I'm shooting on why I chose a CFMoto, and she started making some sort of popping sound. Sounded like it was throwing gravel up underneath it. So I made it about a football field away from my house, turned around, came back, checked up underneath it to see if there's any loose gravel or anything it could be throwing around. Didn't find anything. Something is definitely wrong. I don't know what it is. I've already contacted the dealership. I've had it for 29 days. Tomorrow is day 30, and I have a 30-day dealership warranty. It's a 70-30 warranty. Now, don't get your hopes up. You may be thinking, oh, well, they're going to cover 70% of the repairs. You cover 30, being the customer. You'd be wrong. After reading through my paperwork, they cover 50% of labor costs and 20% of the cost of parts. Interesting, but I have no choice because I'm not a mechanic, so gotta do something or just be stuck with a broken down machine. We're gonna load this bad boy up tomorrow, which is Saturday, and they have limited hours on Saturday, so I'm gonna have to try and get up there as early as possible if they'll take it, and we'll see what happens. All right, the dealer said they'd take a look at it. We're gonna haul it up there, see what's wrong with this bad boy. As soon as we got there, they unloaded her off the trailer immediately, got her back in the garage, diagnosed the problem as the sway bar links, and got to work expediently. And we are out of there. It took about a half an hour. They fixed her up. We got her back on the trailer and ready to take her home and back on the trails, baby. Oh, and they didn't charge me a dime. And when I tried to give them a tip, wouldn't accept it. They'd only accept a handshake. Pretty cool people, man. All right, so we're in here. They say they fixed it. We're gonna go hit some trails. You're coming with me because if this thing makes any noises it shouldn't, I want you to be there, and since I'm not a mechanic, maybe you can tell me. Either way, I will definitely notice if it's still knocking. So let's test that first. right, so what do y'all think? Does it sound good? Are we in good working order? I think so, from what I can tell so far. Of course, still got to get it out of the woods, get it back to the house, but I think we're good to go, man. All right, and I'm back here at the house without incident. Everything seems to be a-okay, baby, and I will take it. I just wanted to thank Brandon and Josh of United Cycle in Summersville, West Virginia, man. Y'all treated me excellently. I really appreciate it, and I definitely won't forget it. All right, big boys, hit them trails and get on it, baby.